We're doing something a little different. We're going to do a float trip in the Bote. He's all ready. And hesitate, stop it, and then start reeling again. Do you have any little Rapalas in your box? Because if there are little Rapalas that are double jointed, that's what Price uses. What do you got? Oh, you got a brown. Let me get the net. Okay, we got the net right here. There we go. Nice brown. Here, grab it. I got to get the boat under control here. Nicely done. Make sure you show us the fish when you get him off, when he's still in the net. Look at that guy. Oh! How nice is this? It's like we're at the flume ride. Little Euro nymphing, and he's got the Rapala on. So if you're planning on doing a float down any river, make sure you do a little bit of homework with maps and especially with the Google Earth aerial photography. Now, you're going to be floating at a particular time of year, so make sure you use the date slider on the Google Earth aerial photograph to figure out what the appropriate water level is, right? Because a particular height of river might be an easy float, but if it's higher, all of a sudden you're looking at some pretty dangerous water. So that's something that I can share with you, and hopefully you'll use it to get out on a river near you and do what my brother and I did, which ended up preparing us for a great afternoon on the mighty Housatonnic in Lee, Massachusetts. 2 cars, of course, is also very helpful. If you look, you can see the old factory decking here. It's like a, right here, it's like a decking and like a series of cribs. It's really cool. Hank is endlessly fascinated. See it to the right? That's it right there, right in the water, right there.
Oh,
see?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, it's like, it's wild. It's okay, no, don't. Looks like we should head toward that big rock or toward the tree to the left and then cut back.
I would say head toward the tree to the left and cut back to the left.
Okay, it's going to be hard. That water's moving there. This is an area that we've never fished.
But you're not going to get down.
Because you can't get down here. You're stuck. You can't do this. Like, so the only way we can do this is the way we're doing it. Now there's pike in here too, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, look at that rock. Look at the boulders here. Big boulders. Oh, terrible cast. This is perfect Rapala. Oh, Brown just took a swirl at it. Beautiful. This is perfect Rapala water because Rapalas don't cast well. You can't cast them a long way, you know?
Right.
You just have to flip them. Okay, we don't want to go in there. Yes. Okay. I love rivers like this. I love doing this. It's kind of like an adventure, you know, like African Queen. Except for African Queen. You're going to be Katharine Hepburn and I'm going to be Humphrey Bogart. The brown is a notoriously lazy beast. They like undercut banks. They like anything where you have, anything where you have like shade. The big browns have to eat meat too. They get to a point in their life when they have to eat meat, which is like they're the best. Listen to that. That's how adults do it. If we were like 11, we would have run that. Yes. Oh yeah. Who are these guys? Yes, now right here, throw your cast. Could be a smallmouth. Oh, it was Mr. Smallmouth. Not a bad smallmouth. It was like about a 3/4 pounder. Oh. I could see him. I could see him head for it when I hit the water. I saw the fish's wake head for it. Oh, Mr. Smallmouth. Yes. He would hit right here, the turd. Now I got to fight him through this. Got to give it a little bit of a straighten it out. And now, Mr. Smallmouth, you will come to me. Ho ho! Yes. Oh, look at the stalactites growing from the concrete on the bridge. Oh yeah. Mr. Smallmouth on Mr. Rapala. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that log. Mr. Smallmouth's like, I don't know where I am now. Oh. Warning, do not eat.
It's here in the city because there was a pigeon back there.
Yes. One of my favorite birds. The lonely pigeon. Yeah. Now, the maturation of the gorilla. Oh! What was that?
Swimming on the water after
a pumpkin seed?
Maybe. Those red eyes, maybe.
Oh! Little brown trout took a shot at me right there. Probably a 9-inch brown. Okay, we're in the shallower crop. As long as we don't hit a rock, we're all right. No. I got it. Don't do anything. Right here, everything's good. Look at how pretty that is. You got the mountain riding up here. Wow, that's pretty. Now we just came charging through, and I hope we didn't skunk everything, but I can get between these two rocks, right? I'm just gonna sit. I'm just gonna, sit right here. Yeah, so we can cast at our leisure. There we go. Oh, Mr. Smallmouth. Oh, hello. Oh, he fell off. Oh yeah. Where are you? Oh, nobody wants to play. Oh yeah? Well. It looks like an old bucket, like an 1886 coal bucket. And this is an old dam that we're on. You can see, look at right here. You can see the drill marks. Drill marks in the rock right there. Look over on the shore. You can see shaped rock. So this old dam, you would have had a canal going on one side, so I'm sure there's like a, factory foundation up above. I got to do a stance back a little bit of history while we're here. Now that is a tree fort right there.
That's a tree fort.
That isn't a tree fort. That's a part of the old factory. I don't know what that would have been. Oh, cable?
It's a cable.
Some sort of cable crossing or something.
I don't know.
Sometimes they got workers across without a bridge like that, but I think that's probably...
If we were kids, we would have climbed all over.
Oh, my God. River cleanup might be in order here on the Housatonnic. The old tractor, seeing better days, ends up disposed of the way so many people, from the time of the native people right on down to now, dispose of things. They throw it in the river. Okay, we got a break in rock right here. Okay, that's not good. Are we going to make it? Yes! Cut bank right here. Nice. Now we're at the Turnpike Bridge now.
under the standpipe.
He's just going to let us go. Let us meander. We're heading for the big Y. Brutal. A brutal smallmouth attack. Oh, right there. You see that pocket? Yeah, you just missed it. A little further. Oh, right there. Oh, what hits it? Oh, I missed him. Oh, oh no. Oh, right there. Oh, another one. Yes. Oh, oh, feisty. Yes. Mr. Smallmouth, hello. You get this on a fly rod, he gonna bend your rod. With a spinning tackle, he don't really do too much. But he is pretty. Look at him, he pretty. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh no. We got a obstruction. Look at this guy. Oh, he's in the boat. Oh no. Almost snapped a rod right there, boy. There he is, the culprit. He literally scared me senseless. Heading behind the big Y, shipping and receiving. So the Bote is just sitting there. Look at that. Pretty as a picture.
Oh, you're on empty.
With the mass pike gleaming like a pearl behind it. Yeah, that's okay. This thing floats in a real shallow water.
It really does.
Okay, we'll just ride it. You're fine. You can cast. This is really nice as a drift boat, I got to tell you.
Yeah, it is. It's the first time you've done it, huh?
Yeah. This is kind of what I got the boat for. No joke. Because I was like, I don't need this for the lakes and stuff. I got canoes, but this is really nice for this. Now it'll be interesting to see somebody fly fishing up front. That's kind of what I was hoping that it would work good for.
You got a Euro nympho up there.
Yeah, well, if you were throwing a streamer, streamers you throw just like you're throwing your little deal.
Oh, yeah?
You know, you cast it out and you just give it some jerks. Streamers are like fairly simple. You just kind of cast it and boop, boop. The streamer is supposed to simulate a minnow, crayfish. Oh yes, we're about to enter my home water now. Now we're coming into the Standman's home water. Oh, this is, come on, will you catch a smallmouth here? What's the matter with
I
you?
wanted to catch him.
Oh yeah. Look at what you just missed. The arch. Oh, now you're going to get clubbed by, what is this, a basswood?
Probably, could be a basswood.
Watch out! Oh no. I think it's a basswood. One of the best carving woods on the planet. Beautiful, beautiful carving wood.
We got a spotted sandpiper.
What?
Spotted sandpiper.
The spotted sandpiper sighting. Oh! One just hit when you were taking it out of the water.
Well, you missed. Right there. There's a sandpiper right there.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that willow tree, peep. That is one beautiful willow tree.
Big, beautiful willow tree.
Wow. And you know what? How many people have actually complimented that willow like we just did? That is one beautiful willow tree. That's got to be how many years old? 150, 200? Arbor Day used to be a thing. Now we have Earth Day, so we can celebrate nothing, right? We celebrate the earth. Oh, I guess you can celebrate grass. Dude, that comes out of Greenwater, that brook right there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and that is trout. It's a trout sanctuary for the next couple hundred yards because that's beautiful, clean, clear water. And in the hot summer, the brown trout come up here and they get in this deep run, and they're able to survive, right? So you don't fish for brown trout for 100 and something yards, 200 yards, because it's a trout sanctuary. So we got the Rover working as a drift boat, and we're stopping right here because this is a nice spot for the Euro nymph. Go down, see those rocks right there?
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, just don't get hooked on that crap on the other side. There we go. Oh! Brown. Oh! Oh, yes! Little guy. No, he's off. Yes. Straight across. Oh, yeah. Oh, good cast. Do one more over there by that bathtub rock. Kind of chuck it into that calm over there, right by the sunlight. Yes. Where are the little ones? Oh yeah, okay, you're right. Mother merganser is guarding. You see her down there, right in the middle?
Yep. Probably trying to lure us away.
Yeah, she is. We can see her. And then there's another mother merganser right there.
Yeah, with the lady.
Look at all those little rats. There's got to be 15, 20 of them.
Yeah.
And those things eat fish. Yep. They're nasty fish-eating beasts. Oh, nice spill in here. Beautiful looking water. Oh yeah, look at this on the right here. On the left too, look at that whirlpool right there. Whenever you have a whirlpool like this, you can see the bubbles coming back. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Yes, just like I called it, boy. And it's a brown. Oh no. We're going to go into this, yeah, just kick us off. I got a brown here, I mean, oh no, oh no. We need to probably go to the shore across. Here, take this paddle, it's easier. Oh, smack me in the gourd, boy. Okay. Got a brown. Oh, he almost got me with the Rapala. My first Tom Price style brown. Hang on now. They're so slimy that if you're not careful, they will kill you.
Yeah. Pretty brown, though.
Yeah, they're nice fish. Oh yeah. Yes. Here you go. Another nice brown. On a Rapala. And we have the thing right behind you. The pliers. Another brown. Yes. Okay, you got to take over the oaring now. Get us off this. All right, he got himself right off. That was nice. That's what we like. And now we can check him out. There he is. Nice guy in the water.
Have you never fished this spot?
Never fished here. I haven't fished from here. I'll tell. Oh, missed another brown right there. I haven't fished from here until I wrecked. Oh, what do you got here? Oh, Mr. Smallmouth, that's what we're looking for. Yes. These stupid browns, I don't want them. They don't like getting caught at this time of year. These smallmouths, on the other hand, they like getting caught any time of year. Oh, yes. Oh, he's in the water. Oh, he doesn't like me. I disrespected him. Oh, nice smallmouth. This is the best of the day. This is a fighting hog. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Holy. This guy, he's on a rampage. Oh, yeah. This guy, he came out of the water like a bigger fish. He's still not a bad size smallmouth. Oh, he came off at the boat. Uh-oh, to be denied. I wasn't denied. I didn't care. I wanted to see him. I got to see him. I'm happy. I'm a happy lad. South Lee now. And it's just beautiful. Look at that meadowland. I imagine this is what the river looked like when the native people were here. You know, it would have been fields in various states of being, you know, like, there we go. Oh, who we got here? Oh, it's Mr. Smallmouth. So you'd have fields that were just recently tilled, you know, or fields that were bearing. And then you'd have fields that were second year, third year, 10th year, you know, in different states of growth. Oh, it's like, see, some of these smallmouths, oh, look what he's got in his mouth. He's got a crawdad in his mouth. He's got a crawfish in his mouth. He doesn't care. What the heck? Oh, that's disgusting. You're going to get him in a salad bar. He's going right in.
Did you ask me what his name was? Was it Gary?
He gets in a salad bar, it's over. He's in the bacon bits. Now, how odd is this? We're in like an eddy. But how pretty is that? That's like pretty as a picture. In fact, I'm going to take... Oh! Is this? Oh, that looked like a largemouth. That's why I was like excited. Like it's a largemouth. That's the one that... Oh, it's Mr. Red Eye. Oh, he's a hog red eyes. Oh, yeah. Red eye. Also called a black, it's not a black bass, it's a rock bass. That's what they call it.
So how did you and Frank get out of here?
We walked.
Mm.
Mr. Smallmouth. Look at you. He's like crouching up there. He wants to get on film. There we go. Who's this? Mr. Smallmouth. Yes. Right near where we parked. Okay, so. Oh, yeah. A little bit of white water.
This is the cost of the boat. Are we going to tip over?
No, we're not. Bote performs well. Cast all over the place here. I love this area. This whirlpool on the left here is nice. We're just sitting here. We're not even moving. This is Big Brown Central right here. Would you look at this? These banks. Oh, just as I said it. Your drag is going out and it's not coming in. You're just twisting your line. What is it? Looks like a brown. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, don't lift it out of the water by your lure. Okay, bring him up. There you go. Nice, another nice one. Just as I said that, did you hear what I said?
Yep.
This looks like Big Brown Central. Boom. Oh! Oh! Okay. Another nice day on the Housatonnic. This time, we're in a drift boat here. We're back to where we parked my brother's vehicle.
So in about 4 hours on a nice day, we made the float, and he got 3 browns. His browns were all 14 to 17 inches, I would say. I got a 9 or 10 incher Euro nymph thing, and then 2 reasonably good sized ones. We got a lot of smallmouths. It was a nice day.
Everywhere.
Yeah, you could not get smallmouths. Usually we see deer out there.
Huge.
But they're there. You're gonna catch them. The Housatonnic with a Bote Rover, and I would rate that the Bote floats in probably an inch of water,
Okay.
inch and a half. It really handled, because of the stabilizing fins, it really handled the river float well. It basically kept on course nicely. I was able to keep the nose pointed down. He sat up front. It was pretty comfortable, right?
Yeah.
And that was the first time we've tried it. So I think if I configure it so I sit a little further back.
Or if I put on 50 pounds.
Yeah. But if I sit back further, I think it would be pretty cool. There's a guy with a stand-up paddleboard.
Stand up.
He doesn't got a Bote. He
No.
is jealous right now. Oh, he's like, that's a Bote. I heard of him. You can put an outboard motor on one of them. We don't have an outboard motor. We got the Bote to do some river floats, and it's working. It's working well. So, fishing historic places, another episode. Did some fishing, saw some history, natural history, and of course, like and subscribe, and don't be afraid to share. And we'll see you on the flip side.